I'm Chris Forsberg.
And I'm Dylan Hughes.
And we're going to transform this recreational Polaris UTV into a race-ready rig.
Welcome to the Slime Road to Baja. Today is shuffle around day slash
shuffle around day. No, we gotta move one car. It's like this. That's not too much. We can handle this. They all run too, so it's not gonna be too difficult. Yeah, we're putting the Polaris on the lift. This is the day we're gonna start tearing it down. We got all of our parts from Cognito, and like we said, most of these pieces are not legal for the racing series we're gonna be going into. And so, yeah, today's the day we strip this baby down.
I'm stoked. I can't wait to yank some parts off of this thing, and then we're gonna have a massive pile of parts in the corner of the shop. But that's okay because we got all that Cognito stuff we're gonna go back on.
Yeah, I'm gonna get started. I forgot we pillaged a couple parts off of this thing.
Just kidding, it doesn't run.
Just kidding, doesn't run.
Let's break for lunch.
All right, that'll do it. Good day. It's happening, dude. And I forgot we already got race studs in this thing. I'm just doing a quick weight test. It's way more rear heavy than front heavy, so I'm gonna start from the rear and work to the front, just because if we take too much off the front. No, this thing is sick. Been utilizing Snap-on tools for a while now, and just getting this new fresh box fully dialed in is awesome. It looks like a lot of the same, but you know, you have your metrics, you have your standards, you have your shorts, you have your deeps, you have your regular, you have your impacts, quarter drive, 3/8 drive, half drive. You got, you know, short wobbles, deep wobbles. I mean, just like anything, you know, the right tool for the job can save you a lot of time. What's up, dog?
No, nothing, we're good. What do you want me to do?
I think that we should probably just divide, since like tools are so similar. So like if you want to like start doing like seats, you know what I mean?
Sure.
Like, that's all like the same whatever bolt size. Like I kind of have a flow going on the suspension, so I can just mirror it to the other side.
Okay.
Uh-oh, I need dikes. I'm trapped. This thing's been trying to back off, that's wild. Yeah, look at it. Hey, you caught her pin, you did your job. Oh, maybe it was. I don't know, I think that's how you gotta pull it like, oh yeah, I think you can like release the seat like that, dude.
What?
Yeah.
That's what that's for?
So, you know, go ahead and fire off the other side real quick.
Side-by-siding 101. Didn't get the memo.
Yeah, so I did get to race Baja once with Valvoline. They did like a team building project, and they built a first-gen Dodge with a Cummins motor in it, big power and everything, and invited me and my buddy Turk out to go race that thing. And long story short, you could tell it was everybody's first experience at Baja. Everything broke. We got very little testing, and during the race we made it 99 miles. Not even 100. Okay. next one coming off in a second. Ready for it? Yeah, man. There you go, Jimmy. Oh, the slime build has begun. The road to Baja is being paved. And this thing is coming apart quick.
Wait, they're paved.
Yeah, I gotta get those arms off. That's part of the cage. So Dylan's working on getting the seats out and the doors off. Cage will come off, but I gotta take this little piece off to slide those arms out. Leave that for a minute, but I figure we'll probably just finish with the rear and then I'll move on to the front. But yeah, it's coming apart very nicely.
No, I'm feeling pretty good. Chris has got the hero moment so far, I'm not gonna lie to you. Taking the suspension off, it's like big pieces of awesome stuff coming off. I'm just over here fighting with seat bolts and seat belts, but it's part of the deal, man. So I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good.
Cause I was like, well, I'll be under the thing. You can take the top side. I thought that was like being nice and totally kind of forgot because I've done these arms before. So that's why I kind of figured I'd take this. Yeah. And so I was like, this is kind of a pain in the butt, but I've done it. So I kind of might be able to whiz bang it a little bit quicker. But yeah. We're changing out the long travel kit because this kit from HCR, it's an awesome kit, and you know, we used it for a while, but it's mostly made for light duty and or like out in the dunes, things like that. Like they oval these holes out, they kind of web them out so they're less weight and it drives a lot nicer. But in Baja, we need the robust arms. We need to have reliability. Not just having the lightest, fastest car, it's also about keeping the whole thing together. So there are several different kits that fill these in. HCR has one as well, but the Cognito kit that we're going with has been a Baja winning race proven setup. So that's the one that we're going with because we know it works.
Extra little thingy right there. There's a lot of attachment points on this roll cage, turns out. You don't really know how many until you gotta take all the bolts out of it. Dang it. See that right there? See that right there? Smoked.
Oh wait.
I was like looking at it and I was like, yeah, I don't think that's gonna do all that much, but all right.
Take that whole thing over there.
Got me that.
I don't know why. So now this side. So we didn't get all that dirty. We got all the suspension off, we got the axles out, and you got the cage and doors and everything all loosened up, so.
Seats?
Seats, oh yeah.
Turns out there's just a little lever you can release on the backside. Figured that out after the first one, but.
Yeah, the other three took half the time as the first one.
Yeah. We're learning, I don't know, but what do you offer me?
We're figuring this out, but yeah, the last thing would be the roll cage, so we're gonna pop this thing off. Not quite sure if it's gonna come off in one swift, easy motion, I doubt it, but we're gonna give it a try. Let's do it. I'd put the door behind you. Okay. Because it's got to stay open. Some wires. That should pull up and out. It's unplugged. All right.
What the f was that?
Incredible is what that was.
How did that happen? Okay. You got it? Well, I can't see you.
No, you're good.
Keep going. Where are we going with her?
Yeah.
Right here. Sit it on the back first.
I think I'm good. Wow, this thing is total.
Dude, it's like a golf cart.
Whoa.
We just need to take these panels.
I'm feeling pretty good. Looks like this thing doesn't look like nearly as impressive as it did about, I don't know, 2 hours ago. Like, it's kind of pathetic looking at this stage, right? Now it's got all the cool stuff off it. It's okay, be patient. Cool stuff will go back on. Cooler.
Over here.